Imagine if you could have geographic and financial freedom knowing that book royalties are coming into your bank account. There's no recession for authors. And no, this is not clickbait. I know we're living in difficult times economically, but here's the thing, books never go out of style. Let me show you what I'm talking about. In 2022 alone, more than 700 million book units were sold. That means around 58 million books every single month. In 24 hours, 81,000 books are sold. The book industry is a $76.14 billion industry that will never stop. That's why real books are the best business in the game. Imagine if you could work from anywhere and write about everything that you're passionate for. Yes, you can have all of that if you're able to write like the big authors and create a mindset like them as well. Imagine if you could use your book and get paid to speak about your story. Every single day here at selfpublishing.com, an author gets published. If you're interested in learning how to create a business around your book, we put together a free 5-day full-time author challenge. I'm gonna walk you through the exact steps you need to take to turn your book and your dream of becoming an author into a full-time business. Just click the link around this video to register. And we literally cannot wait to see you inside. It's gonna be a complete game changer for you and where you wanna go as an author. We'll see you there.